Fireworks on the 4th of July. It sounds loud, but it's fun. All the colors up in the sky at dusk. Don't it take you back to yesterday? Summer break was just beginning, and the summer was just starting. Fireworks on the 4th of July. Had a Pepsi in my hand and sitting with my friends. Having fun on the hill by the lake, watching the fireworks in the sky. Fireworks in the sky. It takes me back to yesterday when I see them in the sky. All the colors of the rainbow exploding in at dusk. The fireworks in the sky. Being patriotic on July 4th and watching fireworks in the sky.